Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review EASZZZ, the world's easiest LED light. So let's get into it. EASZZZ is an eye-caring wireless LED night lamp. It is a clean modern design which can light up your room. When you wake up in the night, you can easily turn it on and EASZZZ will guide you through the way. EASZZZ is your ever-ready nighttime companion. The innovative flip sensor makes it unique and easiest night lamp, as well as handheld size, eco-friendly design, and ideal companion to you. The lovely light can bring an enjoyable, relaxing bedtime experience. It has 1000 mAh battery capacity and charging is around 1.5 hours thanks to its fast USB-C type charging. The working time is 2.5 hours on full brightness and more than 100 hours in the dimmest mode. EASZZZ is constructed with high capacity, durable, BPA-free silicone material and not easy to break, making EASZZZ cuddly bundles of illumination. The soft silicone lamp cover without complex buttons can give you skin-like comfort and feeling. The hidden touch sensor can be 100% safe for your baby. Play and soft warm light doesn't hurt the eyes. Final words, you can use EASZZZ for different mood settings or activities like baby caring, dinner, relaxation, reading, working, or using cell phone. It is available on Indiegogo campaign and I will put all the details and the links of the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do that. Thank you.